How much does Karnataka charge for land survey? How can I get land survey in Karnataka? How much does it cost to survey land in Tamil Nadu? How much does Karnataka charge for land survey? Land survey costs in Karnataka depend on the type of land, location, and business. Scon Design is the top Karnataka land survey firm for reasonable prices. Scon Design offers economical Karnataka land survey services. The company's skilled land surveyors use cutting-edge equipment. The size, location, and type of survey determine Karnataka land survey costs. Topographical, boundary, and construction surveys are priced competitively by Scon Design. They tailor solutions to clients' needs within budget. Scon Design offers affordable land survey in Karnataka without sacrificing quality. They provide value for money with fair pricing and no hidden fees. Their professionals cover all land survey topics and produce clear, complete findings. In conclusion, Scon Design is the top Karnataka land survey company for trustworthy, reasonable services. Their modern tools and technology ensure precise and trustworthy land survey services at a fair price. Land survey services in Karnataka are popular due to their competitive cost, transparency, and quality. How can I get land survey in Karnataka? There are a few actions you can take to speed up the land survey process if you're wanting to have one done in Karnataka. Contacting an established land surveyor like Scon Design is one of your initial options. To ensure everything runs properly, it's crucial to have all the required paperwork and licenses in place before the survey begins. Obtaining a land survey in Karnataka might be simple with the appropriate planning and guidance. How much does it cost to survey land in Tamil Nadu? Karnataka has several land surveyors. Scon Design is a top choice. This company is known for inexpensive, high-quality land surveys. Their skill and attention to detail ensure accurate and reliable surveys. Visit the Scon Design website or phone to make an appointment. They will discuss your demands and provide a quote during your initial appointment. They will also discuss land surveying and answer any inquiries. Scon Design surveys use cutting-edge technologies. This guarantees dependable findings. They also have a staff of Karnataka experienced land surveyors. Scon Design has industry-leading prices. They offer affordable land surveys since they know money is a big problem for many individuals. They don't sacrifice quality. They strive for cheap quality. Other Karnataka land survey businesses include Scon Design. However, you should investigate and find a reputable, affordable company. To assess a company's service, read internet evaluations and testimonials. If you're buying, selling, or renovating a property in Karnataka, you need a land survey. A reputable company like Scon Design can ensure your survey is accurate, reliable, and inexpensive. Thanks for watching.